Per yung date, no?
Aha.
Hindi na pala ginawa nila ngayon. Wala na pala daw yan.
Oh?
Baka siguro iba yung camera ngayon. Itong SLR, sabi niya wala kasi dati daw. Maiba daw ano na yung ayaw ba yung date. Kaya ngayon wala na daw.
Samantha, can you wave to Daddy? Can you wave to Mommy?
Sorry. Hi.
Hi, Samantha. Can you blow a kiss, Samantha? I think he's cold. Are you cold, Joey? Oops! You're okay. Come on.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Mahal naman niya kasi.
Can you wave? Na ano lang siya, natakot siguro.